bigay ko muna sa inyo yung 10 utos ng Diyos. Galing sa Bible, Exodus chapter 20, verse 1 to 17. Verse 1 to 17. Ito yung kumpleto. Ito yung talagang origin ng 10 Commandments na nasa Bible. Number 1. So, verse 1. And God spoke all these words saying, I am the Lord your God who brought you out of the land of Egypt, out of the house of bondage. You shall have no other gods before me. Sa Catholic version, ganun din, tama naman. I am the Lord your God. You shall not have any other gods besides me. You shall have no other gods before me. Tama yun. Parehong pareho yung first commandment. Okay, pagdating ko sa second commandment. Sa second commandment ng Bible, sa Exodus 20 verse 4, you shall not make for yourself a carved image, any likeness of anything that is in heaven above, or that is in the earth beneath, or that is in the water under the earth. Sa verse 5, you shall not bow down to them nor serve them, for I, the Lord your God, am a jealous God.